is an IKEA MALM dresser. I want to lift it off the ground so it doesn't have such a bulky look. Right now I've already tipped it on its side and removed all the drawers. You can see the base is hollow, so there's no way for me to attach the legs that I've already bought. So next I'm going to add some wood to this base structure so I can then attach the legs. So for the wood support on the bottom of the dresser, I prepared 3 pieces of wood. One is a 2x4 and then 2 scrap pieces of wood. So first I will apply wood glue to the sides, and then I will use pocket holes and pocket screws to join this piece of wood to the base. Make sure that the 2x4 is very level to the sides and the ends of the dresser, so your dresser is level once everything is assembled. Then as there is a small gap between the 2x4 and the base of the dresser, I'm adding the piece of ship to wedge in the gap. And just for extra assurance, I'm adding this piece of scrap wood to the side. Over here, I'll be attaching with wood glue and screws, and this will support kind of the side of the 2x4, so it has additional support and there's no chance for the 2x4 to cave in due to the weight of the whole dresser. For this scrap piece of wood, remember to leave some clearance between it and the railing, otherwise the drawer won't close very well. So once everything is screwed in and attached together, it should be a very sturdy support. So this is the wood support I'm going to be adding to the base. And to join these 2 pieces of wood, I'm going to be using wood glue and a pocket hole joint. In terms of the pocket hole setup, you can see the thickness of the wood is different on these 2 pieces. This is a 1/2 inch, this is a 1.5. So always pick the one that's thinner. So here is the 1/2 inch. So I've set up my pocket hole guide to the 1/2 inch setup, which is changing it to this distance here and then setting the drill to the half inch here. And yeah, and that is how I will attach it to the dresser.